Cute oh. Excuse me. This is the old card of my friend. Thank you.
I'll give it to you. Wait.
Sorry. Thank you. May-tap kasi namin yung card. Ang dumaan yung kasama ko. Kaya kinuha yung card niya. See?